Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this time I have a presentation running the SQL database in two different OS or two different operating system on a virtual image. So let's start with it. So the first one right here, it's macOS 10.14.3 that I'm testing the SQL database today. I'm going to show you soon where I have the application at. And this one is the Windows 10. What I have right here is that in order to make this work local, you have to install XAMPP. XAMPP runs with Chrome to use the web application, and I'm going to run it right here. So without doing any running any function over here, it doesn't work at all. So if you see right here, I'm going to look that up right here in the back. As you can see, there's nothing right now. So as soon as I start this Apache, and then I'm going to start my SQL, and then this should pop up right here. And I created a database schema introduction to database early on. Now we're gonna look up the macOS. I'm gonna open the Workbench application. Here you have I created a connection early on. I'm gonna just click once, it's already connected. Now I'm gonna open also the database schema introduction to SQL, where I have my tables identical to the other one. So what I would do here, I'm gonna run statement. So the statement we're gonna look at is the clients. So we're gonna run that instead of animal. Gonna click that and press and go. See what we have right here. Actually give us on table of the clients. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 out of that the table of clients. Now let's look at this is based on Windows. Now let's look at macOS. I'm gonna run out the same one. I'm gonna run a statement. I'm gonna look at the same thing, see what we get. And in order to run that, you run the query right here. There you go. We got the result over here, and let me see what we have right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. We got the same result on both MySQL Workbench localhost, and then also we got the same result on my phpMyAdmin localhost. Two different systems, same result. I have video on my YouTube for each one of these, how I install and configure, and you can follow and do the same and test it. Thank you, and till next time.